Hi, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play A Belter by the King, Elvis. This is a thing called Blue Christmas, all the way back from 1957. So I do hope you enjoy this one. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, if you're up for a bit of rock and roll Christmas, go and grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Right, Blue Christmas, let's get straight into it. So it starts off with an E chord. It starts off, I'll have a blue E, B7, stay in B7, E7, A, F sharp. If you're not here with me, B7, and when the blue E, snowflakes, B7, stay in B7, back to E, E, and then E7 with your Chris A, and then F sharp, B7, have a blue, 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 back to E. Right, let's show you how that's done. So first off, start off with the chord of E, and what we're going to do, we strike a bass note, then go up, down, up. Okay, so in the case of E, we're going to hit the note of E. Okay, so E, up, down, up, yeah, and then after that we strike the A string and then do the same thing, up, down, up. So what we get is, see that? E string, A string, E string, A string, E string, up, down, up, A string. That's the strumming pattern we're going to use. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. Without, on the out, we're going to move to B7th. I'll show you that up to the screen. B7th. Now, as you may know, we don't play the the sixth string with a B7 chord. So we need to work out how we're going to do our lower bass note. And the way we do it is, we do the A string first on this one, and then do our up, down, up, see? And then what we do, we get our second finger and we just put it long enough to get our lower bass note from the second fret of the E string. So we got, see that? A string, E string, but with our finger up, yeah, on the second fret. Back to E again. Decorations, E, and then E7. E7 is an E major chord, but then we're going to put our little finger on the third fret of the B string. So we decorations of, on the word red, we got our little finger on for the E7. Red, and then A. A is A string, E string, A string, E string. And then we've got an F sharp bar chord. Now what that is, that's on the second fret, okay, bar chord, F sharp. That's the won't be the same, dear, that bit. If, back to B7, you're not here with me. Here with me, 2, 3, 4, E. E, snowflake, start B7. B7, B7. Back to E. E7 with your Christmas A, F sharp, but I'll be 7 back to E. Okay, so let's show you a few little tricks that go on in the record. So a few little bluesy feels that happen is, this happens the most regular. It's when you're in the chord of E, it goes. That one. It happens really regular. So what happens is we're going to do an E chord. And then we're going to do open A, first fret of the A string, second fret of the A string, and then E string. Okay, so, and that's all down picks. Got it? When we do, we change to B7th. There's also things we can do with the B7. We can go, which is, we're up there anyway with the second finger on the second fret of the E string. We strike that, open A, first fret of the A string, and then back to the B7. And then back to E again, and then this happens. If you listen to the Elvis version of Blue Christmas, you'll hear him go. So what that is, we're sliding up with the third finger from the second fret up to the third fret of the E string. Okay, so that's on the E. The other thing that happens that's quite good is when it goes from the A and then it goes. Okay, so the decorations of red E7 and then A, 3, 4, A. Whoa, that bit. So we're in A and we do A twice, twice on the full fret of the E string, twice on the third fret of the E string, and then we're going to be in F sharp. So again, all downstrokes. All these little picky bits are all down picks. All right, so diggery, and then A, 2, 3, 4, 1. I suppose the proper way of doing it would be in third finger, second finger, first finger. Okay. So all together, so I'll have a blue E, one more time, B7, you got that, B7, E, that's E, then E7, A, E string, A string, F sharp, if you're B7, and when the back to E, B7, staying in B7, E, E7, A, F sharp, B7, B7, back to E. There we go, Blue Christmas, Elvis Presley. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any song suggestions you may have for future videos of songs you'd like me to rip to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which enables me to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, thanks for watching, guys. Always appreciated. I'll see you again in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.